If nourishing was a meal, then this cabbage and kale sauce is the perfect definition of that. This sauce is flavorful and packed with lots and lots of nutrients. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we delve right into cooking, let's introduce the ingredients. We have kale, cabbage, some fresh parsley, tomatoes, red bell peppers, onions. And here we have some smoked chicken and fish, pepper, ginger and garlic mix, some salt, some vegetable oil, and a mixed blend of spices and seasoning. A detailed list of all the ingredients will be in the description box. So yeah, after washing my bell peppers, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it now. I like to use this food processor because I like it roughly blended. So however you like yours, please feel free to do you. You can blend it smoothly if you want, or just blend it roughly like this. Let's get cooking. Now in my pot, I'm going in with some vegetable oil. I'm going to add out some nicely chopped onions, but just saute it for a few minutes. We want all of these ingredients still vibrant. So just going to saute it for a few minutes, and we go in with the tomatoes and bell pepper mix, some pepper, garlic, and ginger. We just give it a good stir on medium-low heat. Remember, you need all the ingredients still vibrant. So fry it on the medium-low heat. Once that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep my smoked chicken and fish that will be added to this. Use any protein of your choice, but then using the smoked chicken and fish intensify the flavor. So if you want to enjoy the kind of flavor I had in this pot, then you want to use maybe smoked chicken and fish, or either of them smoked will give you a very rich flavor. Now I'm going with my spices mix. Give it a good stir. I'm also adding some seasoning. I'm using some Knorr seasoning. Add that with a little bit of salt to taste, and we give that a good mix. Looking at this sauce, I'm like, I wish I could just get one correct Nigerian yam, like boiled yam or even fried, and pair it with this sauce. Oh my god, this just be on another level. You get what I'm saying? Okay, I've added some little water to this so the smoked chicken and fish can loosen up and release more of its flavor into the pot. While that is cooking up, we go ahead and prep the vegetables, the cabbage, kale, and the parsley. Chop the vegetables however you want them. However you want it to look like in your pot. For me, I'm just going to chop it into just some big chunks. No need of cutting it so tiny and all, because we're going to cook it. So yeah, feel free to do you. In case you're wondering, oh, I don't have kale, I can't access kale here, what do I use in place of kale? Ugu leaf is the perfect replacement for kale. For me, I feel ugu leaf is the perfect replacement for kale. Ugu is pumpkin leaves, so you can use that as well. I've just removed the stem from my kale, and I'm going to chop it into my desired size. Sometimes I just wish I could chop my vegetables as tiny and beautiful as those women chop in the market. Those women that sell ugu and water leaf in the market, Nigerian market. Omo, that's some mastery. Like, because those people, they cut it very fast, yet it comes out very nice, clean, neat, almost like it's a machine that cuts it. Anyways, that's mastery. So yeah, I give it up to them. Shout out to all the women who do that. Shout out to you guys. Maybe I should keep practicing how to chop vegetables neatly so I can achieve that. Anyways, I'm done chopping my vegetables now, and our sauce has been cooking up nicely, as you can see. Nice and yummy. This alone could just pass for your stew. Like, if you want to just stop here. You're good to go. If you don't want to take it a step further, this can serve for your rice, for your boiled yam, for your plantain, for anything you want to accompany it with, your pasta. But you know, we're going to enrich the flavor. We want to enjoy all the nutrients this sauce has. So we're going in with the cabbage and the kale. I'm just going to cover it so it can reduce for a few minutes before I stir it. If you want to blanch your vegetables, please feel free to do so. Blanching just means adding boiled water to the vegetables before you pour it into your pot. Sometimes I do, but for this recipe, I just wanted to add everything straight up because I'm not going to add any more liquid to it. So it will generate some liquid that will be perfect for the sauce. If you've been looking out for healthy recipes, healthy sauces, then this is definitely one you should have. It's loaded with fiber, vitamins, and a lot of flavor. Like accompanying that with very rich flavor, then you should add it to your menu. Or even if you just want something to replace the regular Nigerian stew, I mean just the blended tomatoes added with your protein, then this is definitely it. You can choose to make this without the kale, it's still perfect. You still have your cabbage, still very delicious. Of course, you know me to be extra, to want to take it a step further. So I've added some bell peppers, the red and green, and now the fresh parsley. I'm just going to give it a good stir, and voila, our sauce is ready. Guys, just look at this. Just negodo this pot of flavor. Pot of flavors. Okay, let's dish out and serve. You can have this as a main meal if you want, or you choose to pair it with something else. For me, I paired with, let's see what I paired it with. What would you like to have it with? Anyways, let me know in the comment section. What would you like to pair this with? Would you prefer it as a standalone meal, or you want it paired with rice or pasta or whatever? Let's know in the comment section. Easy to make, healthy, and so delicious. Like, I don't want to exaggerate the taste of this, but I'll let you make yours and let me know what you think. Of course, you already know what I think about this sauce and what my household think about this sauce. My husband's like, you keep giving me every time, like you keep raising the bar, like from one step to another, like one level to another. But yeah, we're here for all the good stuff, and I'm here to share the delicious recipes with you because we're gonna be exploring, and we'll keep exploring the delicacies of food together. This is a good time to subscribe if you're not a part of this family. Turn on post notification, like and share our video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.